friends, let's learn ABC of colors with Manal. All the colors of the ABCs. Rainbow has all the color sequence. From A to Z, we'll learn and play. Colors bright every single day. Azure sky so bright and blue. Go brown like teddy bears we view. See crimson, a red so deep and grand. Diddy daffodil, yellow in the land. Oh, the colors of the ABCs. Rainbow hues for you and me. From A to Z, we'll learn and play. Colors bright every single day. Emerald, a shining, sparkling green. Fuchsia, a vibrant, lovely scene. G, gold like sunshine, shiny and bright. H, a hot pink, a dazzling, joyful sight. Oh, the colors of the ABCs. Rainbow hues for you and me. From A to Z, we'll learn and play. Colors bright every single day. I, J, K, and L, so many shades to find. M, N, O, P, let colors fill your mind. Q, R, S, and T, a vibrant, happy blend. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, colors without end. Indigo, a deep, dark, starry night. J, jade, a fresh and gentle light. K, khaki, a neutral, steady tone. L, a lavender, softly, sweetly grown. Magenta, a purple, pink, so bold. Navy, a deep blue, stories told. O, olive, a green, so soft and mild. P, purple, a color we all love. Q, quartz, a crystal clear and pure. R, rose, a gentle hue that will endure. Silver, a gleaming, cool delight. T, teal, a blue-green, shining bright. U, umber, earthy, warm and deep. V, the violet, secrets it will keep. W, white like snow, so clean and clear. X, thick, a yellow, shining near. Y, yellow like the sun, a happy ray. Z, saffron, a blue that lights the way.